You're having a dream of beginning with 3,500 chicken. Here is the requirements you need, the amount of money, expenditure you're going to incur. Just listen to me. On this farm, we are having 3,700 so far, and I hope one day the number will increase. But I'm going to talk about the expenses you're going to incur in raising 3,500 chicken on your farm. First, you need a chicken house. The chicken house is going to be 280 feet wide, the long, and 140 feet on the width, only if you're going to build one floor. But if you're interested in building 2 floors, make sure that you build 140 feet on the length, and the width it is going to be 70 feet. It will be enough for your chicken to enjoy and lay more eggs inside here. The second thing that the amount of money you're going to spend on only that chicken house is going to be $8,400. I recommend someone, if you're going to build a chicken house, to use poles like these ones. You try to use poles. If you're going to use bricks are more expensive than poles. Use poles, wood cuttings. The chicken house will be cheaper. Then also the chain, like you see this one behind me, the chain, to be cheaper. For me, I use bricks. The reason why I use bricks, because they're made from home. They're made from here, and the size, you can see the size of the bricks is very big. So if you use the bricks that are bought, it will be expensive, unless when you say that whenever you use bricks, the transport costs of bricks is cheaper than those of poles. Then you can decide to build a chicken house using bricks. But if not, use poles, and the chicken house will be cheaper than that of bricks. And try to use bigger poles if you're going to build a chicken house. The bigger the poles, the stronger the chicken house, especially when you're going to build 2 floors. You have to use bigger poles to hold the upper floor. Try to use bigger poles to hold the upper floor. I'm going to show you have some bigger poles in a new chicken house, and I'm going to show you how they look like. Then let's go into the feeds and other requirements that you need. For the other amount of money, you need $13,000. I repeat, $13,000 to raise the chicken, 3,500 chicken, up to the time where you're going to see eggs flooding all over the place. This amount of money is quite somehow big, but it is not that much if you're aiming at getting money from the chicken. Yes, you can recover this amount of money. If you did it for business, it can come back. Especially the only money that you're not going to recover is the money that you spend on the chicken house. Just let it go, please. And the amount of money that you're going to spend on feeds, every amount of money, even the transport costs of feeds or whatever, you can recover it. What you need is to feed these chicken very well, treat them where necessary, take care of them, monitorize them. Don't leave everything to the workers. That amount of money, you see it. If you want to multiply your capital as quick as possible, start poultry business. I'm telling you, it gets you to the top within 1 year. And if you want that, start poultry. But the bad thing with it, it requires you to have some money, amount of money aside. That is the only challenge. It requires you to be with quite some good money. It requires you to be having time. You have to spend some good time. You have to attend to this chicken. You have to love them as if they are your children. If not, you will not get anything from them. They can eat your capital. They can eat each and every amount of money that you've invested in and leave you with nothing, leave you broke. That is poultry. But if you did it for business, you did it from your heart, you loved it, I understand you can take care of it. And to be sure, you get multiple amount of cash profits. You get it. Because for the layers, first of all, you first get the amount of money from the chicken droppings. Secondly, eggs. Thirdly, you're going to off-lay the chicken. It's not like the broilers. The broilers, you expect them, the money to come from the chicken themselves, and the dropping just once. You're going to sell the dropping just once and you're done. But in layers, from when they are from the first 3 months till you off-lay, you're going to be selling chicken droppings. Secondly, weekly, you're going to sell the eggs on the weekly basis. And lastly, the capital, the amount of money that you get from the off-layers is quite it's good. Start poultry, spend $13,000 on the expenditure. It requires you drinkers, feeders, carpets in the brooder, everything that you need, to raise the chicken is on that amount of money. Apart from the chicken house, you have to spend $8,400 to build a chicken house of 3,500 chicken. Thanks again. Till next time. Bye bye. I love you guys. I love you so much. Thanks for supporting me. Thank you. Till next time. Mwah. Yeah, this is a chicken store. It is under construction, but I want to show you the poles, the bigger poles. These ones here, they can help you to hold the upper floor very well. You can see up here, it is going to be a chicken house, and down it is going to be a store. Yeah, just like that. That is what I wanted to show you. Simple, like that.